here. I have that one, just haven't set it off yet. And I have this one too. Haven't set that one off either. This, guys, is my fave, the Pyrotech and Motherload. It is very nice. Just quick, but it's nice. I like the New Yorker Salute Finale. That was a good one from last year. So you guys go out and get that. This is the Phantom Fireworks catalog I got 3 weeks ago in the mail. I think they got some good stuff in here. Yo, those look nice. Trying to think, which one of these Roman candles do I have? Can't think of offhand. I don't think I have any of these around. I believe this one, I think I have those somewhere. They haven't all been fired. These are very good, guys. The Jumbo Silver Salute, very good. And Wolf Pack, oh man, these are good. I think the I think it's this pack here or the pack right next to it, one of those two with the 100 strip like that. They're good. They're good and loud. I had my cousin took them out. We celebrated New Year's in a park, and he lit them and they were good. Pop long and they pop loud. So good brand, good brand. These are just, I guess, assortments put together. Wow. look at all that. About $900. Wow. $1,500. Yo, that's some good stuff there. That kind of money. And let's see, special coupon, page 2. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out one day this week maybe, or before the 1st, take advantage of this. So enjoy everybody. Talk to y'all again soon. Love you guys.